afternoon. So last week was Egyptian week and so is this week. So we're following on from Egyptian week. I hope you're all okay. Welcome. So today we're going to be doing some yummy mummy bananas. And we're going to do them like this. Let me show you. So we're going to be using banana cut in half, some white chocolate, and I haven't got any of these eyeballs, but I know that you can get them from Asda, but I've just got some Smarties. So whatever you've got in the house, I've got some little Smarties. So that's literally the only 3 ingredients that we need for this week's little snack. But before we start, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what sort of foods did the Egyptians eat. So this is where I'd say, okay, bees, let's sit down and ask you some questions. What sort of food do you think they ate? So if you can answer the questions, I know we've only got a few watching at the moment, but even if you watch it later on, put some answers at the bottom. Let me see what you think the Egyptians used to eat. So I've written down some things that they did used to eat because I've done some research. And they loved garlic, vegetables, lentils. They liked figs, dates. They liked fish, birds, cheese and butter. So it's quite similar to the diet that we all have now. The pharaohs wanted the people to eat well, so they never wanted them to go hungry. So it's quite similar to our diet, really. We eat very well, don't we? And beer was the most common drink. So the higher up half of the Egyptians, we like lentils. Fantastic. They're fantastic for putting in soups and things, aren't they? You can do loads with them. Thank you, Sarah. So the one half of the Egyptians used to eat the garlic and vegetables and things that they could get their hands on. And the richer half of them used to eat the fish and the birds and things like that. Okay, so now we're going to get started with our yummy mummy bananas. We need some white chocolate. I find that the cheaper the chocolate, the easier it is to melt. So I'm using the Aldi's cheap white chocolate. I think it's 30p or something. A banana, quite a big one. If you've got one, doesn't matter if you haven't got a big one. A plate, a knife. I'm using this knife, but if you could get your parents to help you with that, or I'm sure you can do it with a blunt knife because bananas aren't really that sharp, that hard to cut, are they? Some Smarties. I've got some little Smarties, again from Aldi, or you could just use regular size Smarties. And I'm going to be using some gold glitter to give it a bit of glitz, because the Egyptians loved gold. That was their accent colour, and we found that out last week, didn't we? So I'm going to turn you around a little bit, and I'm first of all going to chop my banana. I'm turning you around because in a minute I'm going to pop to the microwave. So I'm going to peel my banana. We all know how to do that, hopefully. If not, an easy way to do it is to chop the top off with a knife and just peel it like that if it's tricky. I'm going to chop the 2 ends off. So again, ask your parents or guardians to help you with this. And then I'm just going to cut it so that it's not so curved. So we've just got the straighter bit. So I'm just going to discard of that bit. And now I'm going to cut the banana in half so that we've got 2 mummies. And then I'm just going to lie them flat on my plate, put my Smarties to the side a bit, so that you've got 2 bananas on your plate like so. And now I'm going to pop over to the microwave and I'm going to put my white chocolate, which I cut into segments, into the microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute, okay? No longer than a minute. It shouldn't take longer than a minute. You can keep stirring it whilst it's in. So I put it in a microwave dish. So we'll try 30 seconds first, see how we get on. I've got a light on my microwave so I can check it. So just keep checking it. If not, you can always take it out. So whilst that's in there, you've answered some questions. Good. So whilst that's in there, I've got another question. Out of that list of food that we named, so it was garlic, vegetables, lentils, figs, dates, fish, birds, cheese and butter, which are your favourites? And what could you make out of something like that? So I mentioned soups. With the fish, you could have salmon and you could make it with vegetables. What would you make out of those ingredients? Oh, it's coming along nicely. I think 10 more seconds, so I'll put it in for 30 and put it in for 10 more. You want it nice and runny so that we can drizzle it over our mummies. Here we go. So you might want your parents to help you carry it. It's going to be very hot. Okay, so there we have it, our nice melted white chocolate. You could maybe get away with, if you haven't got any white chocolate, using some yogurt to drizzle over your bananas to make it look like the mummy's wrapped in the tissue. Okay. Well, it wasn't tissue that they used, was it? Right, okay, so we're going to drizzle over our bananas now. Okay, so I'm just going to use the end of the spoon and get quite a bit on it and just drizzle them. There's no right or wrong way to do this, just go for it. You can always move the banana from one plate to another once you've done it, if you don't want all the excess around it. There we go. Wonderful. So you could probably, out of half a bar of chocolate, you could probably make up to 4 mummies out of that. I used half a bar of chocolate, I've still got some left and I've made 2. Okay, so let me just show you. There we have our mummies covered in the chocolate. And now I'm going to add my little Smarties for the eyes. I'm going to add them 1/4 of the way down the top so that they set nicely in the melted chocolate. There we go. So I'm going to move those out of the way so I can show you this properly. And there we have it. Our mummy bananas. Yummy mummy bananas. I think they look pretty cool, pretty Egyptian. Okay, so send us some pictures. I want to see your creations. There's also some other food ideas in the pack this week and last week's pack. So have a look on there, experiment. Can't wait to see some of your answers. And I can't wait to see you all soon, real soon. Okay, so take care. Hope you're enjoying this sunny weather. Bye.